Hello dears, welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss the interpretation of a complex function as a two-dimensional fluid flow. Suppose we have a complex function w equal to f of z. Now considering this function f of z as a vector based at the point z, considering this function uh, as a vector based at the point z, we can interpret this function, this complex function, as a two-dimensional fluid flow. As a two-dimensional fluid flow. അതായത് ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷനെ ഒരു വെക്ടർ ആയിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇന്റർപ്രിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും ഒരു ടു ഡയമെൻഷണൽ ഫ്ലൂയിഡ് ഫ്ലോ ആയിട്ട് ഇന്റർപ്രിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും അതിൽ ആക്ച്വലി ദിസ് വെക്ടർ f of z specifies the speed and direction of the fluid flow at a given point z. That is, f of z specifies the speed. The vector ആണ് വെക്ടർ ആകുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മാഗ്നിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഉണ്ടാവും സോ ദി വെക്ടർ എഫ് ഓഫ് ദറ്റ് സ്പെസിഫൈസ് ദി സ്പീഡ് ആൻഡ് direction of the flow at a given point z. For example, consider f of z is equal to the function f of z is equal to z bar. Z bar means this is equal to x minus iy. സോ ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫ്ലോസ് ആണ് ഈ രൂപത്തിൽ വരിക ഓക്കെ അതായത് ഇങ്ങനെ വരും ഇതൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എഫ് ഓഫ് സെറ്റ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു സെഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈ ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ കോംപ്ലക്സ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ ഫ്ലോസ് ദി ഫ്ലോസ് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ടു ദി ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എഫ് ഓഫ് സെറ്റ് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു സെഡ് സ്ക്വയർ is of this form. Okay. Now suppose our complex function is given by f of z is equal to u plus iv or u of xy plus I into v of xy. Now consider the point is z. Z is equal to x plus iv. That is, if x of t plus I into y of t is a parametric representation for the path of a particle in the fluid flow. That is, the point xt yt in terms of t is a parametric if x of t plus iy of t is a parametric representation for the path of a particle in the fluid flow, then since f of z specifies the speed and direction of the flow at a point z, that at this point we can say that the tangent vector t is equal to f of z. Since f of z specifies the speed and direction of the flow at a point z, then we can say that the tangent vector t equal to f of z. Now if x of t plus iy of t is a parametric representation of the path of a particle in that flow, then we can write t equal to the tangent vector, that is x dash t plus iy dash t. So this implies we can write x dash t plus I y dash t, that is dx by dt plus I into dy by dt is equal to f of z. F of z is nothing but uxy plus I into v of xy, right? So we can write like this. So comparing the real part and imaginary parts, we get dx by dt, that is x dash t equal to uxy. So dx by dt is equal to u of xy and dy by dt is equal to v of xy. So we have a system numbered as 1. So that is the comparing the real part and imaginary parts on both sides, we get dx by dt equal to the real part of this f of z and dy by dt equal to the imaginary part of our f of z, where t is the tangent vector. Here x of t plus iy of t is the parametric representation for the path of a particle in the fluid flow. Okay, so we have a system of two differential equations. Now the family of this system is called streamlines. The family of solutions of this system. One is called the streamlines. Streamlines of the flow. Okay. Corresponding to or associated with our function f of z. So the family of solutions of this system is called the streamlines. So to find the streamlines associated with streamlines of the flow associated with a function f of z, w equal f of z, first we have to form this uh, system of differential equations by using the real part and the imaginary part of the system. Then solving this equations system, we get the streamline. Okay. Next, we can discuss a problem. Find the streamlines of the flows associated with the complex function f of z is equal to z bar. Okay. So we have to find the streamlines associated with this complex functions. So we have here f of z is equal to z bar. So separating the real and imaginary parts, we get this is z bar is nothing but x plus iy bar, that is equal to x minus iy. So we have real part is x and the imaginary part is minus y. So the streamlines are given by the streamlines are given by the differential equation or system of differential equation or the solution of the system of equations by the solution of the system. Dx by dt is equal to the real part is x. Dy by dt is equal to the imaginary part is, it is nothing but y. So we have this system. By solving this system, the family of the solution will be the streamlines. So to solve this system, from first equation we have dx by dt equal to x. So this implies dx by dt equal to x implies separating the variables, we have dx by x is equal to dt. So we have separated the variables x and t. So integrating separately, we get ln of x is equal to t plus some constant c or c. So this implies applying the exponential, we get e to the power ln of x, that is x. E to the power ln of x is equal to e power t plus c. So this is nothing of t is nothing but x, which is equal to e power t into e power c. So taking e power c as a constant c, since c is a constant, e power c is also a constant. So we can express this is equal to some c1 into e power t, where the constant c1 is nothing but e power c. Since c is a constant, we have e power c. E power c is also a constant, so uh, we express this constant as c1. So we have the solution of this first equation x equal to c1 in e power t. Similarly, we can find, so solve this equation dy by dt equal to minus y. So from this we get dy by dt is equal to minus y. That implies dy by y is equal to minus dt. So on integration, we get ln of y is equal to minus t plus some constant c. So this implies e to the power ln of y is equal to e to the power minus t plus c. So as in the previous case, we can write this as y is equal to e power minus t into e power c. We can express this as d. Okay. So taking e power d as another constant, y equal to some c2 into e power minus t, where c2 is equal to e power d, the constant e power d. Okay. So we have x equal to c1 e power t and y equal to c2 e power minus t. So here t is the parameter. So we have to eliminate the parameter t between these two equations, x equal to c1 e power t and y equal to c2 e power minus t. So eliminate this t, between these two equations, we can just multiply these x and y. So multiplying this x and y, we get what? Therefore, x into y is equal to c1 e power t into c2 e power minus t. That is c1 into c2 e power t minus t is 0. That is xy equal to c1 into c2, where xy is a constant. Okay, so these are the streamlines which lies on a, that means we can see that x of t, the point x of t comma y point y plus I of y of t, the point x of t plus I y of t lies on the hyperbola xy equal to c1 c2. Okay, so uh, so this can be expressed in this form. We have the parabola, so sorry, the hyperbola xy equal to c. If xy equal to c, if c is a positive constant, then parabola will be like this. Okay, sorry, hyperbola will be in this form. If c is a positive constant, if xy equal to c, if c is less than 0, then the parabola hyperbola will be like this. So we can find the streamlines will be like this. Okay, in this form. Okay, so for this we have xy equal to c1 c2, so that means xt plus I yt lies on the parabola xy equal to c1 c2, and c is a constant for xy equal to some c. Okay, c is a constant as c, if you take in different values of c, you will get a different hyperbolas. Okay, next question we have to discuss is that find the streamlines of the flows associated with the complex function f of z is equal to z square. So in this case, we have the function f of z is equal to z square, that is equal to that implies u plus iv is equal to x plus iy whole square, which is nothing but x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. So separating the real and imaginary parts, we get comparing the real and imaginary parts, we get u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. So the streamlines are given by streamlines are given by uh, the differential system of differential equations dx by dt equal to u, that is x square minus y square, and dy by dt equal to v, that is 2xy. Okay, so combining these two equations, so the system, we have to solve this system. So we can take like this, dividing dy by dt by dx by dt, we get uh, dy by dt divided by dx by dt is nothing but 2xy divided by x square minus y square. That is, we get dy by dx is equal to 2xy divided by x square minus y square. So this is a first order differential equation in xn with the independent variable x and dependent variable y, and also it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, it is a homogeneous differential equation because this function 2xy is a homogeneous function of degree 2, and the x square minus y square is also a homogeneous function of degree 2. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. We know how to solve this differential equation. We can convert this differential equation into separable equation or variable separable equation by using the substitution y by x is equal to some u, or y equal to some ux. Okay, so we have so such that dy by dx is nothing but u into derivative of x plus x into derivative of u, that is du by dx. So we can replace this equation by this. So equation number 1 can be written as dy by dx equal to u plus x into du by dx, which is equal to 2 into x into y, that is 2 into x into y is nothing but ux, divided by x square minus y square. X square minus y square is nothing but u square into x square, because y is equal to ux. So this is equal to u plus x into du by dx equal to 2u x square divided by, we can take x square outside, so x square into 1 minus u square, right? So dividing these x square, we get u plus x into du by dx is nothing but 2u divided by 1 minus u square, that is x du by dx equal to uh, 2u divided by 1 minus u square minus u. So this is nothing but 2u minus u into this, that is minus u into 1 minus u square divided by 1 minus u square. So this is equal to 2u minus u plus u cube, right? Divided by 1 minus u square. So this is equal to 2u minus u is u plus u cube divided by 1 minus u square. So we can write this. This is x into du by dx. Now separating the variables, we can write 1 minus u square divided by u plus u cube into du equal to dx by x. So actually here our equation was this. Uh, dy by dx equal to 2xy divided by x square minus y square. So to solve this differential equation, we have put this y by x equal to u, or u or y equal to ux, and we made this equation as, or convert this equation as a separable equation or a variable separable equation. Now this is separable in x and u. So we have to integrate on both sides. So for integrating in left hand side, we have to apply the partial fraction. So this can be written as 1 minus u square divided by, taking u outside, we get u into 1 plus u square into du equal to dx by x. Now by partial fraction, this can be written as 1 minus u square divided by u into 1 plus u square is nothing but some a by u plus b u plus c divided by 1 plus u square. So from this is equal to a into 1 plus u square plus u into bu plus c, right? Divided by u into 1 plus u square. So this can be written as 1 minus u square is equal to a into 1 plus u square plus u into bu plus c. So we have to obtain the values of a, b and c. So to get a, we can take u equal 0. So from this u equal to 0 implies we have this is equal to 0, and we can eliminate b and c. So by applying u equal to 0, we have a equal to a into 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So we have a equal to 1, and now we have to get b and c. Now taking the coefficients of minus u square, sorry, coefficients of u square. So this is equal to coefficient of u square is minus 1 here. Coefficients of u square, we get here the coefficient of u square is a plus here is b into u square, so b equal to, in the left hand side we get minus 1. The coefficient of u square is minus 1. So since we have a equal to 1, so b equal to minus 1 minus a, that is minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So we got b equal to minus 2. Now to get the value of c, we can take the coefficient of u, right? C into u is here. So taking the coefficient of u implies we get this is 0 here, and here is a into 1, a into a square. This is coefficient of u is only c. So c equal to, the coefficient in the left hand side, the coefficient of u is 0. So 0. So we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, and c equal to 0. So from this we can write 1 minus u square divided by u into 1 plus u square equal to a by this, a by u plus bu plus c divided by 1 plus u square. So this can be written as 1 minus u square into divided by this equal to this. So a by u. What is a? A is 1, so 1 by u plus bu plus c. B is minus 2 and c equals 0, so minus 2u plus 0 divided by 1 plus u square by using this, okay, into du equal to dx by x. Now this is equal to, so we have to integrate this. This is nothing but 1 by u du, 1 by u du minus 2u divided by 1 plus u square du equal to dx by x. So we can directly integrate this. So from this integrating this we get log u minus ln of 1 plus u square equal to ln of x, because here is the derivative of 1 plus u square is 2u, so we can write this directly ln of 1 plus u square. So plus a constant of integration ln of some c. So by the properties of log we can write this can be written as ln of u by log a minus log b is log a by b, so log u by minus log 1 plus u square is equal to log u by 1 plus u square, which is equal to log a plus log b is log ab, so this can be written as log some cx. So from this applying the exponential we get u divided by 1 plus u square is equal to some cx. So now we can replace the value of u is nothing but y by x divided by 1 plus y square divided by x square equal to some c into x. So this implies this is our substitution was u equal to y by x, right, or y equal to ux. So this was our substitution. So replacing this we get we have this. So this is nothing but y by x divided by x square plus y square divided by x square equal to some c into x. So that is dividing x we get x into y divided by x square plus y square equal to some cx. That implies y by x square plus y square equal to c. That is uh, x square plus y square is equal to some y by c, or it can be written as x square plus y square equal to some c1 into y. Since this c1 is an arbitrary constant, this gives or this represents a family of circles with the centers on the y-axis and passing through the origin. Okay, because uh, this can be written as x square plus y square minus c1 into y equal to 0. So by completing this square we can write this as x square plus y square minus c1 into y plus adding and subtracting square of the half of c1, that is c1 square by 4 equal to c1 square by 4. Okay, now this implies we can write this as x square plus y square, this s square plus this y square minus c1y plus c1 by 4 whole square by c1 square by 4 is nothing but y minus c1 by 2 whole square, because y square minus 2 into y into c1 by 2, that is minus 2 minus c1y plus c1 square by 2 square, that is c1 square by 4 equal to c1 square by 4. So this is nothing but if choosing c1 by 2 as some k, you can write this as x square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square, right? So this is a since here k is a constant, arbitrary constant, so as k varies for varies we get uh, a family of circles passing through the origin and with the origin passing through the origin and with the centers at some the on the y-axis. For example, here we have, suppose this is here the radius is k and it is passing through 0 comma k. This is a circle, this family of circles with the center 0 comma k and radius k. Radius is k. So we have passing through this 0k means if k is positive, then k will be here, and radius is this k. Okay, so this is center, so we have this a circle with the center. This is the point 0k and radius k. Okay, and if k equal to 1, if k equal to 0, then the point is here, and if k equal to 1, then it will be like this. If it is 1, then we have like this. K equal to 2, then we have like this, 3, this, etc. Okay, and we also have, if k is negative, then we have this type of circles. Okay, so these are the this is the family of circles. So these are the streamlines. Okay, so in this case, we got the streamlines as circles with the center uh, on the y-axis and passing through the origin. So we'll have like this. This was the flow. Okay, so the circles will be like this. Okay, so our flow will be this, and these are the streamlines, right? Okay,